Hi everybody and welcome. In today's video I am going to show you how you can easily create your own equalizer preset for your JLAB Rewind 2 headphones. So here we are now in the JLAB application and we have a tab Equalizer here. Here we have a tab Custom and now we can, as you can see, manage each frequency. And when we are done, we just have to tap this to disable this view. As you can see, it's saved to custom one. If you want to reset our custom created preset, you just have to tap here, reset to default ones. That's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day.